So clearly, I'm here to impress the Godfather and move up in the rankings. I hope I don't let you down, sir. What's up, guys? So I was messing around with this. I haven't really done it with the kids yet, John, but I thought it would be good to know. So it's kind of goofy. So anyway, these are the ones I was screwing around with. So assume it's nothing there. Create a new quiz, and then in questions, this is where it took me a while. I did new question group. But then when I said link to a question bank, which I thought we were going for, I didn't have anything here. So these are clearly the ones I just created. So then I went view course question banks. Nothing was there again. But then on the right, I saw add a question bank. So I was already screwing with yours and then got stuck in a later part, but let's do John's again, I guess. And then I thought you could add questions right here, but then you had to go into it. And then, of course, once I got into it here on the right side, I could add as many questions that I wanted to. All right, so once I got done with this, I guess you can pretty much just go back to quizzes. And let's just go to the ones that I was screwing around with right here. Edit this one. Come on. All right, then of course, when you made a new one and went back to questions, then I went new question group. I'm going to link it to one that I know I at least did 3 questions for. So I was doing the practice one first. And then it still was kind of goofy here. I then said, okay, out of the 3, I want 2. And then let's name it now, because I think I named some of the others practice. But then I went create group because it says questions will be pulled from that bank. So create group. And then it said pick 2 questions from here, which then when I did practice quiz, I know this isn't what you were looking for, John, because I thought it would then pick 2 of my 3 and not show all 3 at once. Um, kind of then I guess got stuck here. So if you guys have anything to add to this, maybe you can figure out how to do where it only shows 2 of the 3. I'm pretty sure it's possible. I'm pretty sure coworkers have said you can do that. I'll keep screwing around with it, but I figured this is a start right here. So